Hi, I just got this new toilet. I'm real excited to have it, so I'm going to just kind of give a closer look and see what it looks like. So a couple things about the toilet is it's going to come with the hardware that you need, the gasket, and then the how to mount it. So it does come with that stuff. It comes as a two-part flush, so if that's something that you're into, this is going to help you solve that problem. It's got a real sleek design and it's a different look, which is great if you're trying to have something that's more modern looking. And then it's a space saver because everything is butted up against here. So this has a great up flush system. So if you need something powerful for an up flush, this will do the job. And the best part about all of it is it has a silent system so that it's not making a lot of noise when someone is using it. So with all that said, I think this is a great buy. I'm real happy with what I got. Thanks for watching.